Welcome to Session 42 of Grade 11, Advanced Algebra and Precalculus. Today we study unit circle exact values. The focus is to use the unit circle to find exact sine, cosine, and tangent values for special angles. By the end, you should be able to do these three things. 1. Read cosine and sine as unit circle coordinates. 2. Use reference angles and quadrant signs. 3. Compute tangent as sine divided by cosine. The unit circle turns trigonometry into coordinates. At an angle theta, cosine is the x-coordinate and sine is the y-coordinate. Tangent is sine over cosine when cosine is not 0. Reference angles give the size of the values, and quadrants give the signs. Find sine, cosine, and tangent at 5 pi over 6. The reference angle is pi over 6, and the angle is in quadrant 2. For pi over 6, the coordinate sizes are square root 3 over 2 and 1/2. In quadrant 2, x is negative and y is positive, so sine is 1/2, cosine is negative square root 3 over 2, and tangent is negative square root 3 over 3. At 3 pi over 2, the unit circle point is 0, -1. Cosine is 0, and sine is -1. Tangent would be sine divided by cosine, or -1 divided by 0.
Your turn. What is cosine of pi?
Pause the video and solve it. Here's the solution. Work line by line, then check the final answer against the original question. After the video, complete these 3 tasks. Copy the model from the lesson. Solve each one fresh, and write 1 error log sentence about the mistake you are most likely to make. Let's recap. Cosine is the x-coordinate on the unit circle. Sine is the y-coordinate on the unit circle. Tangent is sine divided by cosine. Reference angles and quadrant signs give exact values. Before moving on, write 1 sentence. The step I must protect is. Then read more in the explanation below the video, and visit www.bridgetoexam.com for more learning support.